Struggling with scanned PDF documents that you can't edit or copy text from? Stop wasting time typing everything manually. Today, I will show you a secret tool that converts scanned PDFs into searchable text in seconds, 100% free. First, go to Google and search for InstantConvert.online. Click on the first result. This is the ultimate destination for over 30 powerful tools. The best part? It works directly in your browser. Once you are on the homepage, scroll down to the PDF section. Look at this list. We are selecting the OCR PDF Scanner. You can also find it easily from the navigation menu. Just drag and drop your file here. Look at that speed. Because there is no uploading or downloading from a server, it works instantly, even if you have a very slow internet connection. In fact, it works super fast even when you are offline. And it's done. Download your file, and now you can select and copy the text easily. Now, here is why this website is better than others. Most sites ask you to upload your personal files to their servers. That's risky, but InstantConvert.online uses advanced client-side technology. This means your file never leaves your device. It is processed 100% locally on your computer or mobile. It is completely secure. Bookmark InstantConvert.online right now for fast, secure, and free tools. Link is in the description.